students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fit and fine at your home. Dear students, myself Twinkle Gupta. I am your computer teacher. Today I will teach you computer. Students, tell me one thing. Do you like to work on computer? Yes, na? Every student likes to work on computer. So student, can you tell me how many parts in computer? There are so many parts of computer. As you know, there are so many parts of computer. As like number 1, monitor. Number 2, keyboard. Number 3, CPU. Number 4, mouse. Number 5, printer. Number 6, speaker. Dear students, can you identify the name of these parts? What is this? This is monitor. And what is the name of this device? This is keyboard. And this is CPU, the brain of computer. What is this? This is mouse. Okay? Students, as you see, there are so many devices in computer. These devices divided 4 parts into 4 parts. Number 1, input device. Number 2, processing device. Number 3, output device. And number 4 is storage device. But students, what are input device? What are output device? You don't know now? So let's see. Students, you have to take a pencil and a sharpener. When we have to sharpen a pencil, we have to put the pencil in the sharpener, okay, and sharp this. After sharpening the pencil, what we got? We got a sharp pencil. Students, do you get the pencil in the sharpener? This process is called input. When we sharp the pencil, this process is called processing. And when we got a sharp pencil, this process is called output. Okay? Have you learned about what is input, processing and output? So our today's topic is related to input, processing and output. So if you want to learn this topic, you have to take your books. So take your book. Students, this is your... So dear students, this is our computer book, which name is Revised Computers Made Friendly, based on Windows 10 and MS Office 2016. So let's open our book. This is the first page of our book, where you have to write your name, class, school, section, roll number. Okay? And this is the second page of our book. This is the third page of our book, where is our first chapter, which name is Introduction to Computer, on page number 5. So let's read this chapter. Firstly, we have to read introduction. Our computer is made up of 4 types of devices: input devices, processing devices, output devices, storage devices. Look at the diagram given below, showing how these devices are connected to each other to form a complete computer system. This is a diagram. You see in the diagram, input devices, processing devices, storage devices and output devices. Let us learn about input devices, processing devices, output devices and storage devices. Input devices. You enter data and instruction into the computer by means of input devices. The most commonly used input devices are keyboard and mouse. Students, as you see, this is keyboard and this is mouse. Let's see what is keyboard. A keyboard is used to input your work into the computer. A mouse is used to draw pictures and select objects and text on the computer. Students, turn your page. Some other input devices are joystick, scanner, microphone, touchpad and light pen. Let's have some other information about these devices. About the joystick. It is used to play games on the computer. Light pen. It is used to select objects on a screen. It is also used to draw figures directly on the screen. Microphone. It is used to record voice, music and sounds into the computer. Scanner. It is used to input pictures into the computers. Students, as you know, these are input devices. And now it's time for touchpad. It is also to move the mouse pointer with your finger. As you move your finger on the flat surface of the touchpad, the mouse pointer also moves in the same direction.
Here are some other input devices as like barcode reader, web camera, USB Bluetooth, OCR and many other things. Now let us learn about the
Processing device. The processing unit of the computer is Central Processing Unit, which short form is CPU. The CPU is present inside the CPU box. The CPU does all the calculations of the computer. Do you know what your brain does for you? It remembers things and takes decisions. It also does calculations and many other things. The CPU is known as the brain of the computer. The computer does all its work through the CPU, which other name is microprocessor. As you can see, this is the CPU box. Okay, in the CPU box, the CPU is fixed. CPU has three parts. Number 1, ALU, which stands for Arithmetic and Logic Unit. It does all the calculations. Number 2, CU, Control Unit. It controls all the activities of the computer. It tells other parts of the computer what they should do. Number 3, MU. MU stands for Memory Unit. It stores data and information temporarily. Students, do you know when you process data and put it in a meaningful form, it becomes information. So, processed data is called information.
These are some other parts of CPU that are found inside the CPU as like system fan, power supply, motherboard, processor, RAM modules, optical drive, hard drive and video card.
Dear students, as you know, we enter the data from the keyboard and mouse in the computer. When we enter the data from the keyboard, CPU is processing on this data, okay? And which device gives us output? Which is monitor. Monitor gives us output. So students, keyboard and mouse are input devices because we input data from these devices, and CPU is processing device because CPU is processed on the given data, and
Monitor is an output device because it shows the result of the instruction that we give to the computer system. So, it is an output device. So, dear students, now it's time for your homework. Your today's homework is you have to collect the images of any 5 input devices and paste them in a chart and also mention the name of the devices. Thank you. Have a good day.